Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that is deeply rooted in faith and tradition, the Hajj. So, let's get started. The Hajj is an annual Islamic pilgrimage to Mecca, Saudi Arabia, and is considered the fifth pillar of Islam. It is a mandatory religious duty for all able-bodied Muslims who have the means to undertake the journey at least once in their lifetime. The Hajj is a journey of spiritual significance and is a way for Muslims to connect with their faith, purify their souls, and seek forgiveness for their sins. The Hajj is divided into two main parts, the Umrah and the Hajj proper. The Umrah, also known as the Lesser Pilgrimage, can be performed at any time of the year, while the Hajj, or the Greater Pilgrimage, takes place during the last month of the Islamic calendar, due al-Hijjah. The Hajj begins with the pilgrims wearing the Ihram, a white, seamless cloth that symbolizes the equality of all people in the eyes of God. The pilgrims then perform the Tawaf, or circumambulation, around the Kaaba, which is the holiest site in Islam. They then move on to perform the sea, or the 7 circuits between the hills of Safa and Marwa. After the sea, the pilgrims proceed to Mina, where they perform the wukuf, or the standing, at the Jamarat bridge. This is followed by the Qurbani, or the sacrifice of an animal, and the Eid al-Adha, or the festival of sacrifice. The Hajj is a deeply spiritual and transformative experience for those who undertake it. It is a journey that connects people from all over the world, regardless of their background or nationality, and serves as a reminder of the unity and equality of all people in the eyes of God. So, there you have it, folks. A brief overview of the Hajj, one of the most important and significant religious journeys in the world. We hope you found this information interesting and insightful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating topics like this one. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.